The All Goa Comunidad Association has strongly opposed the Goa Regularization of Unauthorized Construction Bill 2025, recently passed in the Assembly. Association President Wendy Vegas stated that members will first meet the governor to convey their objections and will later decide on the next course of action.
नॉर्थ झोन, साउथ झोन आणि सेंट्रल झोन कुमदादीचे सगळे वांगडी प्रेसिडेंट, अटर्नी, ट्रेजरर्स वेरियस कुमदादीचे हिंग येयलो आहे. आणि आज द मेन रिजन फॉर कमिंग हियर हीज ते दीस एक उल मारलो कारांबोली कुमदादीन सगळे कुमदादी उल मारलो की हे नोटेरियस बिल भूमिपुत्रा वर्जन 2 जे बिल 8 तारखे ऑगस्टाचेर असेंब्ली पास जाल्लें आणि हे इल्लिगल बिल कुमदादीचे जे रायट्स आहे ते रायट्साचेर वयर येवन आपण गव्हर्मेंट जावन कुमदादी हे एक्नॉलेजमेंट घेनासतना जी कुमदादी बाटांत इल्लिगल स्ट्रक्चर्स आहे हे बांदपाचें जे बिल हाडलो जे इल्लिगल आहा हे बिलाचेर ओपोज करपाक आनी निशेध मारपाक आमी सगळे गोंयभर जे कुमदाद आहाय तांकां एक उलो मारलो आनी वी टूक द लीड एज अ कारांबोली कुमदाद. आज आमी परत एकठांय जाल्या ओन्ली टू लेट एवरी वन नो दॅट ऑन द 24th ऑफ this month, August, it is called as the Monsoon Fellowship. आणि हे मनसून फेलोशिपाचेर आमी माहिती दितले कुमदादीचे सिस्टमाचेर. पूण जेन्ना हे मनसून फेलोशिपा एकठांय जातले सगल्यो कुमदाद्यो ते दिसा आमी सगळे गोंयचे कुमदादीक अपील करपा लायताय दॅट वी वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू टेक बिफोर द 24th ऑफ ऑगस्ट तुमी सगळे गोंयचे कुमदादीन आपल्या गेले कमिटी गेली मिटींग घेवची आणि एक रेझोल्युशन घेवचें. ते कुमदादी जे कमिटीज आहाय दे शूड टेक अ रेझोल्युशन बिफोर द 24th ऑफ ऑगस्ट and on the 24th of August they should come for this monsoon fellowship which is been organized and it is going to happen at St. Xavier's Research Institute Porvorim. हे जाग्याचेर हे डिटेल्स आमी आउट केलो आहे, सर्क्युलेट केलो आहे आणि हे डिटेल्सा प्रमाणे थिंगा जे फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम आहा ते दिसाक फेलोशिप प्रोग्रामा येवचे आणि आपल्या गेले कुमदादी गेली रेझोल्युशनां घेवची. Through this press, I would like to go through the basic resolution that each Kumdad has to take. The resolution goes as follows. We the components of dash Kumdadi huch componadi te naw galpache. We the components of dash Kumdad unanimously resolve to oppose the Goa Legislative Diploma number 2070 dated 15th 4-1961 Amendment Bill number 39 of 2025 passed at the Goa Legislative Assembly on the 8th August 2025. Or जावनाहा basic lines of the resolution. I call upon all the Kumdads of Goa की तुम्ही हे resolution घेवचे. आज 14 तारीख आहा आणि 24 तारीख जावपाक आणि 10 दीस उरले आहा. So if you all take a decision on Monday that you all want to take a committee meeting, only committee meeting, जाल्यार तुमकां आख्खे वीक आहा from Monday till next Saturday आख्खे वीक आहा. In that week I request all the Kumdads come together, take your committee meeting, take your body meeting of the Kumdad body meetings. ती body meeting जावन आसतली तुगे treasurer, attorney आणि president हेंक एकठांय जावाय मिटींग घेयाय 3 minutes of the meetingेचेर तुम register कराय आणि तेजी एक xerox काढाय आणि तेजी एक xerox काढाय आणि 1 line application बारात ती xerox हाडून 24th when you are coming for the monsoon fellowship थिंग AI आणि ते डिपॉझिट आमगेले सेव गोवा सेव कुमदाज सेव गोवा कुमदाज हे कमिटीचे मेंबर आसतले आमगेले थिंगा तुम ती दिवची. वी आर गोइंग टू कलेक्ट ऑल दीज रेझोल्युशन्स एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू मेक द प्लॅन नेक्स्ट. कित्याक आतां तें गव्हर्नरागे एसेंटा वचपा आहा. आम गव्हर्नराकूय बरयतले, गव्हर्नराकूय मेळटले आणि गव्हर्नराकूय आमी ब्रीफ करतले कित्याक आमी प्रिवियस आउटगोईंग गव्हर्नर जो आसलो ऑनरेबल गव्हर्नर ताकाय आमी ब्रीफ केल्ले आहा. So we will also give him that copy as well as give him a fresh copy and we will keep him briefed of what this government is trying to do. In the meantime, I would request all the Kumdads, जावं ती North Zone, जावं ती South Zone आणि Central Zone, हे सगळे कुमदादी को मागता की तुम्ही हे रेझोल्युशन घेवचे आणि 24 तारखेर तुम्ही कोणू जाल्यार तुमगे एक रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह धाडचो आणि ते रेझोल्युशनाची कॉपी आमगे जी सेव गोवा कुमदाद म्हणून जी कमिटी आहा ते कमिटी मेंबरां कडेन तुम्ही कोणा कडेन दिवचे. सो टुडेज पर्पज वॉज वन थिंग इज टू सेंड द मेसेज लाउड एंड क्लियर अक्रॉस ऑल द कुमदाds that now it is the time for you next week to come together, take your resolutions.
Good afternoon. My name is Nelson Fernandez. I am the attorney of Comunidad of Asagaon. As our fellow president from Karamboli, Captain Benzi Vegas has said, it's very important for us to put this thing across that we are having a fellowship on the 24th of August, this very month, in St. Xavier's Research Institute, Pororim, where a basic training of the laws of Comunidad would be given. But that, having said that, the basic training will be given, but also we will collectively oppose this illegal bill of 39 of 2025 which the government has passed. We would like to tell all brothers and sisters from the Comunidad, the different managing committees, to first of all be aware of what is happening around, and please come together to take a resolution and oppose this bill. The Comunidad is an autonomous body. It has its own code, its own set of rules, and that is why we totally oppose it. We are against it, and we'll take the appropriate action to stop this bill. Thank you.
And everybody that we came across in trying to save our Comunidad. In this process, there is one plea that I would like to make, especially to the people who can make a difference, to please let better sense prevail. Because it is the Comunidad who have the very ethos of our Goa enshrined in its embodiment. If you look at the sanctity or the history and the environment and so on about Goa, it is about renewable resources, renewable natural and human resources. This is what the Comunidad elders and the ancestors understood very well. How to live in harmony. This should not be destroyed. I think with this little message, I'm sure the family of Goa who cares for Goa as their own mother will do all that is necessary to protect her. Thank you very much.